Ben mo sọ fún yín. Madam Idowu Phillips, aka Mama Rainbow. Ẹni tó bá mọ̀ yín kó lọ sọ fún yín. Mo sọ fún yín, èmi Princess Oluwadamilola mo sọ fún yín Idowu Phillips, aka Mama Rainbow. You know I know you very well. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ọ̀rọ̀ Gbàdàmọ́sí sẹ́gbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ọ̀rọ̀ pé you said, oh, you are a nurse, which we know you never. Àwọn tí ò mọ̀ yín lọ mama mọ̀ yẹn. I'm telling you now, Madam Idowu Phillips, when you were in Odunfa, àmọ̀ yín, all the people that you thought you were guarding, especially Sake, involved in, molesting girls, doing all that. Ẹ wo bí, ẹ̀yin ará Odunfa, if I'm lying, you will know there's this song you used to sing. Àṣẹ kankan ò sí nílé ayé. Ẹni tó ṣe eré ń ṣe ló ṣe pamọ́, ẹni tó ṣe éka ó ṣe pamọ́ ni gbogbo ẹ̀ ló yọ Ọlọ́run. Kò jẹ́ fi gba kan ọbọ. Yes, I registered there myself in that Odunfa because then they were the in thing. I approached Yinka Quadri and Ogogo, but paid for the form, everything. And I told them, I'm already an actress, so I don't need to come for your rehearsals. But I had to leave because of some people calling you in Ebute Meta, in that Odunfa. You are not, it's not a new thing, Mama Rainbow. But what shocked me about you, Mama Rainbow, Idowu Phillips, is the fact that Ọlọ́run mo sori mo lade tún la ṣe tí èmi àti yín jọ ń pè ó ń dúró dè yín. Ẹ pera yín ní ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, Mama Rainbow. Ẹ pera yín ní ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ fún yín, tí ẹ bá lọ tọrọ ìdáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, kí n dẹ̀ rí k'Ọlọ́run fi hàn mí pé yes, Princess Idowu Phillips o ti tó. Tí ẹ bá lọ túbá fún gbogbo ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn ọmọ tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti ṣèkà fún, tẹ́ wá pè mí, tẹ́ pretend, tẹ́ wá lọ lẹ́yìn mi, tẹ́ lọ ń bà mí jẹ́, tẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ débi pé ẹ lè mú mọ́ra, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní shatter mi. You went on the news, Idowu Phillips, Ìyá Rainbow. Ọlọ́run mo sori Mọ́ládé tún ọ̀la ṣe, Ọlọ́run SBG Ọ̀ṣọ́fà, Ọlọ́run Babalọ́lá, Ọlọ́run Jacob, Isaac àti Abraham. Adágbére fún yín, ẹ̀mí mú adágbére fún yín pátápátá. Ìgbẹ̀yìn, it will be worse than that of Saul. Ẹ lọ kọ sílẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Anybody tẹ́ bá mọ̀, òun ni kẹ́ lọ. I don't bloody care. I don't fear you people. You've killed me. You took away my joy. You took away my joy. You put sadness in my life. I'm not afraid of you. You don't know, a man who has lost everything does not have anything to lose again. Ní Bombe, Idowu Phillips, aka Mama Rainbow. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Mo fi Ọlọ́run orí Mọ́ládé tún ọ̀la ṣe, èmi àti yín ọmọ Kérúbù ni wá, gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá lọ, ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run á dágbére fún yín. Ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run á jìnnà sí yín. Ìgbẹ̀yìn á le ju ti Paul tó di abókù sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín. Because I did not do anything to you. Anything. And I never said you should not support whoever you want to support. Why do it at the detriment of my own name? Why mocking me? Why stigmatizing me and my children? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. The Sake that you all were covering up for, is it not the same? I hear he's even the father of Bayu. The same one now that is being like, does the apple fall far from the tree? Do you think God can be mocked? Ẹ jẹ́ kí sọ fún yín, wọ́n máa bẹ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìyá, wọ́n máa bẹ lára ọmọ. Á bẹ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bàbá, á bẹ lára ọmọ. Gbogbo ibi tẹ́ bá mọ̀. Idowu Phillips, aka Ìyá Rainbow. I'm calling you out. Gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá mọ̀ ní kẹ́ máa lọ. Ọlọ́run mo sori Mọ́ládé tún ọ̀la ṣe. Ọlọ́run Ọ̀ṣọ́fà, Ọlọ́run Babalọ́lá, Ọlọ́run Abraham, Isaac àti Jacob á dìde fún mi. Ìgbẹ̀yìn ó máa le ju ti sọ̀lọ̀ tí ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti lọ máa tọrọ ìdáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Fún gbogbo àwọn orí. Do you even know how many children this guy molested? They were in court. Some of those victims that you people are talking about have lost all hope. One of them was almost suicidal. You think coming online and bullying people, it ends there? No, it doesn't. You think coming online and just typing whatever you want to, you think it doesn't end there? These are survivors. Molested by Olariwaju James Omiyinka. And you people cover up.
Don't shoot. What's in here? Go, malo, Please, leave the road, leave the road, leave the road.
Please, what is all this now?
Come back, come back, come back. Oh, short, short, short.
Come back, I beg. Take your group back. Take your group back.
Papa.